Welcome to Swift Home Finds. Let's stop buying useless kitchen clutter. We've analyzed brutal testing data from Wirecutter and America's Test Kitchen to rank 15 completely independent, sponsor-free gadgets that genuinely save you time and money. You'll find the best current deals linked in the description below. Whatever you do, don't leave early. Our final two picks feature a foolproof restaurant-quality breakfast pan and the ultimate upgrade to protect your expensive cookware forever. Let's dive right in. Number 15. Luvan Flip Pickle and Olive Jar. Kicking off our countdown at number 15, we're ending the struggle of messy pickle jars. Reaching your fingers into cold, salty brine is frustrating and highly unsanitary. The Luvan Flip Jar fixes this instantly. It features a brilliant hourglass design with a built-in strainer. When you want a snack, simply flip the jar upside down, the liquid drains to the bottom half, leaving your pickles or olives perfectly dry and ready to grab. No more messy hands. Number 14. Clevely No-Drip Honey Dispenser. At number 14, we are fixing the stickiest problem in your entire kitchen. Traditional honey bottles leave a huge, glued-on mess inside your pantry cabinets. This no-drip glass honey dispenser is an absolute lifesaver. Instead of pouring from the top, you just press the trigger and honey flows smoothly from the bottom. When you release it, the inner stopper instantly cuts off the flow, leaving zero sticky drips. It comes with a beautiful glass stand to keep countertops spotless. Number 13. Yaramate 2-in-1 Oil Sprayer and Dispenser. Coming in at number 13, this brilliant tool completely replaces those expensive, chemical-filled aerosol cooking sprays. The Yaramate is a revolutionary 2-in-1 glass oil dispenser. You can tilt it to pour a smooth, continuous stream of oil into your pan for sautéing, or press the heavy-duty handle to spray a fine, perfectly even mist over salads or air-fryer vegetables. It gives you total control over how much oil you use, saving you serious calories and keeping your food healthy. Number 12. Geedle Push-Down Food Chopper. At number 12, we have the Geedle Push-Down Chopper. Let's face it, chopping onions, garlic, and nuts by hand is highly tedious. Dragging out a massive electric food processor for one single onion is even worse. With this manual chopper, you just slap the top. The internal stainless steel blades rotate and chop your ingredients in seconds. The more you press, the finer the chop. It keeps your hands totally odor-free, prevents onion tears, and pops right into the dishwasher. Number 11. Onion Holder for Slicing. Speaking of onions, if you want perfectly uniform slices without ever risking your fingertips, you need this tool at number 11. It looks like a stainless steel metal hair comb, but the design is absolutely brilliant. You pierce the onion, tomato, or potato, and simply slide your knife between the sharp metal prongs. You get paper-thin, restaurant-quality slices every single time, and your hands stay miles away from the sharp blade. It is highly affordable, incredibly effective, and completely foolproof. Number 10. Double Flavor Shabu Shabu Pot. At number 10, we are upgrading your family dinner nights. When hosting, someone always wants spicy broth, and someone else always wants mild. Problem solved with the Double Flavor Shabu Shabu Pot. This beautifully designed divided pot features a seamless welded separator right down the middle. It's totally induction ready and lets you cook two entirely different soups, broths, or hot pot bases simultaneously without them ever mixing together. It brings the ultimate interactive restaurant hot pot experience straight into your own dining room. Number 9. Joseph DrawerStore Utensil Organizer. Number 9 solves the most chaotic, messy spot in your kitchen, the silverware drawer. Most traditional organizers take up the entire drawer and still leave your forks horribly jammed. The Joseph DrawerStore uses a brilliant, overlapping stacked design. It literally cuts the space your silverware takes up completely in half. It is exactly like playing Tetris with your kitchen drawers, instantly doubling your storage space and giving you that highly satisfying, incredibly organized look you have always wanted. Number 8. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. At number 8, we have a viral sensation that actually lives up to the heavy hype, the Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Forget those giant, heavy waffle irons that you use once a year and absolutely hate cleaning. This tiny kitchen gadget heats up in seconds and makes flawless single-serving waffles. It's also the ultimate tool for the low-carb community to make crispy cheese and egg chaffles. It takes up absolutely zero counter space and wipes clean effortlessly every time. Number 7. Alpha Griller's Instant Read Thermometer. Coming in at number 7, this tool guarantees you will never ruin a steak again. Serious Eats has a strict rule: never cook meat by guessing the time. Cutting your steak open to check the center lets all the delicious juices escape. This Alpha Griller's thermometer gives you an ultra-accurate digital reading in just 2 seconds. It's completely waterproof, incredibly fast, and totally eliminates the terrifying fear of serving undercooked chicken or horribly dry, leathery beef to your guests. Number 6, it is officially time to throw away that drawer full of mismatched, dull, rusty knives. A dull blade is the most dangerous tool in your kitchen. The Astercook stainless steel knife set is an absolute culinary masterpiece. These blades are forged from premium rust-resistant steel and arrive razor-sharp out of the box. They slice through tough meats and delicate tomatoes with zero resistance. It brings professional chef precision right into your home, instantly upgrading your daily cooking. Number 5 is the ultimate revolution in meal prep. The Ninja Crispi completely changes how you cook and store food. Instead of a bulky metal basket, this system uses high-quality glass containers. You prep your meal in the glass dish, snap the portable air-frying power pod directly on top, and cook your food to crispy perfection. When done, just pop on the storage lid and put the entire glass container straight into the fridge. It saves you endless dirty dishes. Number 4, cast iron juicer. Coming in at number 4, we're ditching those weak plastic manual juicers that break under pressure. If you want maximum fresh juice without the morning workout, you need the Zulai commercial juicer. Made from heavy-duty cast iron, it uses immense leverage to extract every single drop of liquid from lemons, limes, or huge oranges in one effortless press. It completely filters out the seeds, keeping your hands clean and delivering pure, delicious citrus juice in absolute record time. Number 3, air fryer paper liners. Getting into our top 3, we all love the convenience of air fryers, but scrubbing thick baked-on grease out of the basket totally ruins the fun. Enter these disposable parchment paper liners. They feature a brilliant raised edge designed to catch all the grease, oil, and crumbs before they ever touch your machine. When you finish cooking those messy chicken wings, you literally just toss the paper in the trash. Your air fryer stays spotless with absolutely zero scrubbing required. Number 2, Sensarte Nonstick Crepe Pan. Now for the 2 epic kitchen upgrades we promised. At number 2, breakfast just got a massive transformation. Trying to flip delicate crepes, thin omelets, or tortillas in a standard frying pan usually results in a torn, messy disaster. The Sensarte Crepe Pan features an ultra-low profile edge, allowing your spatula to slide perfectly under your food. The premium Swiss nonstick coating is incredibly slick, meaning your pancakes will literally glide around the pan without a single drop of butter. Number 1, Silicone Kitchen Utensil Set. Taking our absolute number 1 spot, the ultimate way to protect your expensive cookware. It is time to throw away those melted, stained plastic spatulas that constantly scratch your Teflon pans. This 33-piece set is the perfect kitchen refresh. Featuring sturdy stainless steel handles wrapped in high-grade, heat-resistant silicone, they are firm enough to flip heavy burgers, but soft enough to never scratch your pots. Having a completely matching set instantly makes your kitchen look highly organized and incredibly professional.